In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar to your Wix website. Whether you're managing an event page or simply want to keep your audience informed about upcoming activities, integrating a Google Calendar can be extremely helpful. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of the Wix editor, which is a flexible space allowing you to design and manage your website with ease. It's a powerful tool, and by the end of this guide, you'll know just how to use it to integrate your Google Calendar. Once you're in the Wix editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Add Apps icon. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. Think of this icon as your gateway to enhancing your website's functionality. By clicking on it, you open up a wide array of features you can add to your site. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Google Event Calendar. This search will bring up various applications related to Google Calendar. Take a moment to look through the options, but for today, the one we want is simply named Google Event Calendar. After you've found it, click on the Google Event Calendar option. Doing so will navigate you to a new screen that provides more details about this app. The interface will offer insights into what the app can do, ensuring it meets your needs for managing your events directly on your site. Satisfied with what you see? Great. The next step is to add it to your site by clicking on the Add to Site button. This will begin the process of integrating the calendar with your Wix site. You'll see it appear in your design space, ready to be customized and positioned where you want it. Now let's customize it to fit your brand. Click on the settings icon for the newly added calendar. This crucial step allows you to adjust the look and feel of the calendar so that it fits seamlessly with your website's design. From here you can tweak various settings such as font size, color scheme, and which calendar events to display. Finally, you need to connect your Google account to ensure your calendar is up to date and accurate. Click on Connect Account, follow the prompts to authenticate and integrate your Google Calendar. It's important to ensure that your calendar is set to public or shared, depending on your privacy preferences, so all necessary events show up on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Google Calendar to your Wix website. This powerful tool will keep your visitors informed and engaged with the events and activities you have planned. Remember, keeping your audiences updated helps in managing expectations and increasing participation. Happy scheduling!